it's Josh here from Heatherslade Farm.
Right, Josh, we're here now to move the ewes and lambs onto different pastures, more grass up in the other fields. So they need this grass after that.
Calling up the sheep. The sheep whisperer. We're still lambing at the moment. We just have a few ewes left to lamb. So keep you updated on that. And Forrest is doing good, so we might be able to get him into this video as well. Then it started to rain, so I didn't get much in there. We were moving the sheep up from the fields, so I was burdened with bringing them up. So, sorry about that.
Josh goes in front of the sheep with the bags so they follow him. We're bringing them down to the field, down the road. So basically me and Vance stay behind them and push them on. Josh's gone down to open the gate for the sheep. Weather conditions get worse again.
Right, that's our job done. All we need now is a nice warm cup of tea and a change of clothes.
Huh?
Just a change of clothes. It's all from today's episode.
You have to change your clothes now?
Yeah, from a rainy Heatherslade farm. Obviously we couldn't get more in because of the rain, so goodbye.